Wales in lockdown, a short, sharp shock to slow the advance of coronavirus. The so-called firebreak lasts for 17 days from Friday, forcing people to stay at home unless absolutely necessary.
Here in Wales, this is the moment to come together, to play our part in a common endeavour.
Well, will this limited lockdown actually work? We examine the measures and the challenges. Also tonight, still no lockdown deal for Greater Manchester, but Number 10 says time's running out as hospital beds fill up. Confusion in the Commons as the EU offers to intensify Brexit talks. Is it really the big win the government claims? And
all things flourish.
a song for Nanny that's landed this boy a big record deal.
This is the ITV Evening News with Mary Nightingale.
Good evening. Wales.